Today I'm gonna teach you question number 18 of exercise 4.2. Solution. How to solve this equation? First of all, we will suppose this term and this term is same. This term and this term both are same, so we will suppose. Why we will suppose? So that our equation becomes easier and we can solve it easily. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 3x plus 1 by x minus 4 equal to 0. Now suppose let x plus 1 by x is equal to y. This term and this term is same, so suppose it as y. Now this whole term is y, so y square minus 3. This term we consider y, so we put y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we will make factor of 4. 4 1 are 4, 2 2 are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. First of all, we'll take the coefficient of y square. Y square coefficient is 1 and simple constant is minus 4. Minus 4 into positive 1. Positive 1 multiply minus 4 is minus 4. Now if you multiply, we must have minus 4, and if we plus add here subtract, what we will get? Minus 3. So the factor are factor are 4 and 1, 4 minus 1 3. We'll take minus 4 and positive 1 because greater sign with negative. Why we take negative? Because there is negative sign with minus 3. Minus plus minus 4 minus 1 3, sign is greater value is minus, so factor become y square minus 4y plus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. Now we'll take common from this pair and from this pair. Y, what is left? 1 y is left, minus y is common, 4 is left. There is no common, so we'll take common 1. Y minus 4 as it equal to 0. Now y minus 4 same, we will write it one time, and y plus 1 equal to 0. First of all, we'll take y minus 4 equal to 0. Next time we'll take y plus 1 equal to 0. Now y is equal to minus 4 become positive 4, and y is equal to positive 1 becomes negative 1. Now we can see that we consider x plus 1 by x is equal to y. Now we put y is equal to x plus 1 by x. Because question is in the x term, so answer should be in x term. So y is equal to x plus 1 by x. So we put instead of y, what we write? X plus 1 by x equal to 4. Now again x plus 1 by x is equal to, this is y, and y is equal to x plus 1 by x, so we write x plus 1 by x and minus 1. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is x, so we multiply each term taking LCM. How to take LCM? Multiply each term with x, because x is LCM. 1 by x into x is equal to 4 into x. X and x cancel, but we get x here plus 1 is equal to 4x. So x here, positive 4x, when taken the left side, positive 4x becomes negative 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now there is no factor of 4, so we'll take the also will use quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b is minus 4 plus minus under root b is minus 4 square minus 4a is coefficient of x is 1, a is 1, and c is also 1. 2 into a is 1. So minus 4 minus minus plus 4 plus minus under 16, 4 4s are 16, minus minus plus minus 4 divided by 2. 4 plus minus under root 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 16, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are. This is a pair, so take outside 4 plus minus 2 under root 3 divided by 2. So 2 is common. What is left? X is equal to 4 plus minus 2 under root 3 divided by 2. So we'll take common 2. What is left? 2 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. X is equal to 2 plus minus under root 3. Now we'll solve this equation taking LCM, and LCM is simple x, so we multiply each term by x. X is multiplied by x plus 1 into x is equal to minus 1 into x. 1 2 3, all the 3 terms are multiplied by x. X cancel, but is left x square plus 1 is equal to minus x. X square negative x, when we take in the left side, negative x become positive x plus 1 equal to 0. So again we will apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b. B is 1 minus b plus minus under root b square. B is 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1 divided by 2 into a is 1. So minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. So we can write x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root minus 3 divided by 2. So solution set becomes minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2, minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2, and 2 plus minus under root 3, which is our required solution.